Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free Microsoft 365. So all you have to do is you can hold this a key, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus Windows key. So let's try Control Alt Shift and Windows key, and voila, this is the Microsoft screen or Microsoft account screen. Please prepare to log in or sign in into or create a free account here. Here, if you get this message when you are want to create free account, there's a temporary problem with the service. Please try again if you continue to get this message. Try again later. So in order to get the Microsoft 365 app, you have to sign in. You have to create a free account. You get a free version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, free 5 GB of secure online storage, easily share and co-author document with others. And also, if you have problem when you are signed in, something went wrong, there's a problem with your Microsoft account. To fix this, you can sign in accountlive.com from a browser, so it will fix your problem. So feel free to try get this free version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint from Microsoft 365 app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next